Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing fine. So today I'm gonna show you how I was able to install this beautiful coily wig. But before I get into that, if you've not already, please don't forget to support me by liking this video and please subscribe to my channel, and also please share this video with your friends. So as you can tell, I am pretty excited about this wig. Like, this wig is just giving me everything. Like, the coils are just something else. They're just popping another level. Like, I'm speechless. So I'm going to show you guys how I was able to install this beautiful wig. I really love the lace on this wig is insane. Seriously, I think it came pre-bleached and the lace is HD. It's HD lace, so you can see it melts so well and blends so well with my skin, and it's as if I didn't even use the concealer to whatever, like nothing. And I didn't leave a baby hair. I know if you like baby hair, it's fine, it's going to look amazing with this wig as well, but I didn't leave out a baby hair. I don't have to. Like, it just looks so natural, as you guys can see, and it's so beautiful. Like always with coily wigs, I went ahead and moisturized the wig. If you want it to be fluffy, or when you let it dry a bit, it's going to get really fluffy. This wig is 250% density. It's really thick, and it's made with HD lace, as you guys can see. And if you're wondering, it's from Yolissa hair company. I'm going to put everything that has to do with this wig, the link to the wig, description, everything that has to do with this wig and its description in the description box below. And of course, you can style it anyhow. As you can see, it looks so natural. As you guys can see, I can put it up, which I'm gonna do in the video. You're gonna see that I can put it up as well, and